video. We're here in Roanoke at Center in the Square parking garage, and we're going to check out the same elevators that Diesel Ducey did. And so here we go. Oh, we have a very nice view. Whoa. Okay, that slammed.
This is a very old elevator.
Let's check it out. Oh, Zachary. This is exactly where he had his train.
What?
This is it. Okay, we'll head back down.
One or two?
You decide.
One. They're close.
See the view as we go down. Okay, we'll pause, and then when we do another elevator, we can pick up our video. All right, everybody, now we are here at the Hampton, and they also have a parking garage, so we're gonna go in there too. Okay, and here we are. Diesel Ducey has been here too, in this exact parking garage, so we're gonna go ahead on up into there.
Six is not blocked anymore.
This one has a block wall. Oh.
It's gonna be very bright outside.
Yeah, it's also very far down. I look down. Yikes. Oh my gosh. I don't want to look down. Alright, let's go this way. Okay, here we go.
This is where the call station is turned off.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
Now what? We go back?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, not appreciate that view. Okay, here we go. You go to G?
Yeah.
Talk to your audience. Tell them something.
So this is a very old elevator that Diesel Ducey rode like 9 years ago or something. So very old.
All right, here we go. See, we're at the Hampton. All right, that's it for our elevators. Thank you for joining us.
And make sure to like and subscribe.
There it is. One more time. What?
Make sure to like and subscribe.
Thank you.
Bye.
All right, here we go. Now we are at the Elmwood parking garage, and I totally recognize this one. And we are going to head in. This is a glass elevator. Go ahead.
It's not working.
It's not working? Do we have a... All right, and now here we are at the Hampton again, but we're at the back of the building now, and we're gonna get in the pink elevators. You can see way off in the distance is the one we just got out of. So here we go. So now we're going to go up to the 6th floor,
Then back down.
and then we'll head back down, and then we'll head on to the next adventure. Oh, here we go. This one also has a window. Okay. A little different. Okay. Oh, but no view, just at the wall. Okay.
Takes a very tiny level.
Here we go.
Don't step out.
Oh, look, it's not all the way up here.
Huh?
See how there's like it's down a little bit lower. Okay, heading down to the ground floor.
Your second view is on 4, 3, 2, 1G.
Oh yeah, there's a view. Very loud in here now, so I can definitely hear some noise. Okay, let's check it. And we're out of here. All right, say bye.
Bye. Hey, this is another elevator that these Lucy did, so we're going to go ahead and rent it now.
Yes, we're at the Hotel Roanoke.
And these are fast. I know that.
Going up to the 6th floor. This is a very cool elevator. You can see this very fancy chandelier and all this detail work. And it's got a really nice tracking bar. Okay. Step out, you can see all the detail here. This is very, very historic. And so they have all these pictures of the hotel, how it used to look when it was famous for the railroads. This is the hotel, but with snow. All right, so we'll head back down. You can see this old mail slot.
Here we are.
I know, well, it's very historical. I like this stuff. Okay, back down.
Yep.
This is my favorite elevator. This is by far the nicest one. Okay, and then we're gonna stop the video. All right, we are now at the Market Square walkway elevator, and we just finished at the Hotel Roanoke. And Zach's gonna go ahead and push the button here.
Just trigger the elevator.
And you said you're gonna remember this forever?
Yeah.
All right. Okay, it's very hot in this area. There's no air conditioning and no fans. All right, here we go. Now what I think is so cool about this walkway, if you can see, that's where we're gonna be walking. But But he goes over these train tracks that are still in use today. There's that crate. Now we have to go straight back up, don't we, to get to the walkway again?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so.
Just don't go out, because it will.
Yeah, let's definitely just go ahead and push the 2 again. Slightly smelly in here too. It's a little bit of a stinky elevator.
Come on.
Okay.
Let's hear the motor.
Had you not been into elevators that great, I probably never would have come to Roanoke. And I would have really missed out because it's actually really very cool. There's a lot of history here. All right, and we're gonna stop our video now.
Yep.
Okay, we are now on the other side of the walkway. And Zach is gonna push this button and we're gonna head downstairs to the first floor.
Go up.
Oh, we're going up and then down, okay.
Yeah. If I can push it.
Oh, this is the one right here.
These are really fast elevators.
Okay. All the way to the top. That was so fast. Over here?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see what, is there anything to see? Oh, the upstairs of the parking garage. All right, head back down to the first floor now. Yep, 1. Now this is interesting. There's buttons on both sides. So there's some on the right and on the left. And I don't know that I've seen that before. Okay, here we go. All right, and this is which one are we in? I think the Gainsborough. Okay, here we go. This is our last one for the day. Oh, this looks just like the other ones. We're on 3. Okay, we're going up to 4. What a day.
Last elevator of the tour.
Yep, last one. Okay, we'll take a little peek here at the top. You can see Roanoke down there. Okay, let's head on out. We're gonna go down to the first floor. This is a Schindler. You can see right here, it says Schindler. Okay, let's see. Opening up. There's the garage.
And back up to 3.
And then back up to 3, and then that's it.
Come on.
It's the air freshener thing that just squirted or whatever. All right, so that's it for this tour.
Bye.